Cuba do's and don'ts, and places to visit off the beaten path. Cuba's 20 do's and don'ts essential when traveling to Cuba, a comprehensive guide. The essential do's and don'ts when planning for a trip to Cuba? This comprehensive guide is your go-to resource to get you started and make sure you have the best possible experience. Best tourist places to visit in Cuba. It is a vibrant and colorful country with a rich cultural history and an abundance of natural beauty. Havana, the capital city of Cuba, is a must-visit destination for its lively atmosphere, colorful architecture, and rich cultural heritage. Visitors can explore the Old Havana district, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and soak up the city's unique blend of Spanish colonial and Afro-Caribbean influences. Varadero, this resort town on the northern coast of Cuba, is known for its pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and all-inclusive resorts. It's the perfect place to relax and unwind after exploring the bustling city of Havana. Trinidad, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this colonial town is known for its cobblestone streets, pastel-colored houses, and lively music scene. Visitors can explore the town's historic landmarks and many interesting museums, and enjoy traditional Cuban music and dance performances. Santiago de Cuba is a vibrant city in the east of the island, is known for its Afro-Cuban culture, music, and festivals. Visitors can explore the historic Castillo del Moro, the Plaza de la Revolución, and the Tivoli district, which is famous for its lively music scene. Vinales Valley. This picturesque valley in western Cuba is known for its tobacco fields, limestone cliffs, and traditional rural life. Visitors can take a horseback ride through the valley, visit local tobacco farms, and explore the nearby caves and hiking trails. Cuba offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Next are the do's and don'ts when traveling to Cuba. I hope you're enjoying Cuba historic landmarks. Cuba has something to offer everyone. Please like and subscribe to support our travel channel. Thank you. Cienfuegos. This coastal city is known for its French colonial architecture, lively music scene, and beautiful waterfront promenade. Visitors can explore the city's historic landmarks, such as the Tomás Terry Theater, and enjoy live music performances at local venues. Baracoa. This remote town on the eastern coast of Cuba is known for its lush tropical scenery, chocolate production, and traditional cuisine. Visitors can explore the nearby tobacco factory, visit local cocoa farms, and enjoy traditional culture. Visitors can explore the nearby beaches and snorkel in the crystal-clear waters or visit the local museum to learn more about the history of the region. Playa Paraíso. This secluded beach on the island of Cayo Largo is known for its white sand, turquoise waters, and stunning sunsets. Visitors can relax on the beach, swim, and snorkel in the crystal-clear waters, or take a boat tour to explore the nearby islands and reefs. Santa Clara. This city in central Cuba is known for its role in the Cuban Revolution and its historic landmarks, such as the Che Guevara Mausoleum and the Tren Blindado Museum. Visitors can explore the city's revolutionary history, enjoy live music performances, and visit local art galleries and museums. Cuba's off the beaten path. Baracoa. This remote town on the eastern coast of Cuba is often overlooked by tourists, but offers a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and traditional cuisine. Visitors can explore the lush tropical scenery, visit local cocoa farms, and enjoy traditional dishes such as roast pig. Las Terrazas. This eco-community in the western part of Cuba is known for its sustainable development, natural beauty, and cultural heritage. Visitors can explore the nearby Sierra del Rosario mountain range, visit local art galleries and workshops, and learn about the community's unique approach to sustainable living. Topes de Calance. This nature reserve in central Cuba is home to lush forests, cascading waterfalls, and stunning mountain views. Visitors can explore the reserve on foot or horseback, take a dip in the natural pools, and learn about the region's flora and fauna at the local visitor center. Jardines de la Reina. This remote archipelago off the southern coast of Cuba is known for its pristine coral reefs, diverse marine life, and untouched natural beauty. Visitors can take a guided snorkeling or diving tour to explore the underwater world, or simply relax on the secluded beaches and soak up the sun. Sancti Spiritus. This colonial town in central Cuba is often overlooked by tourists but offers a glimpse into traditional Cuban life and culture. Visitors can explore the historic landmarks, such as the Iglesia Parroquial Mayor and the Yayabo Bridge, and enjoy live music performances and local cuisine in the town's lively plazas. Cayo Coco. Cayo Coco is a small island located off the northern coast of Cuba, known for its pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and diverse marine life. It is part of the Jardines del Rey archipelago and is connected to the mainland by a causeway. Visitors to Cayo Coco can enjoy a range of activities, including swimming, snorkeling, diving, fishing, and boating. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Cuba, such as Playa Pilar and Playa Flamenco, which offer crystal clear waters and soft white sand. The nearby coral reefs are home to an abundance of marine life, including tropical fish, sea turtles, and colorful coral formations. Visitors can take a guided snorkeling or diving tour to explore the underwater world or simply relax on the beach and soak up the sun. Cayo Coco also offers a range of accommodation options, from all-inclusive resorts to private villas and bungalows. Visitors can enjoy a range of amenities, such as restaurants, bars, swimming pools, and spas, as well as a variety of entertainment and activities. Overall, Cayo Coco is a popular destination for those seeking a relaxing beach vacation in a picturesque and secluded setting. Whether you're interested in water sports, exploring the nearby coral reefs, or simply relaxing on the beach, Cayo Coco has something to offer everyone. Cuba's dues. Do bring cash, as credit and debit cards issued by U.S. banks are not accepted in Cuba. Do bring sunscreen, a hat, and comfortable shoes, as the weather can be hot and sunny. Do learn some basic Spanish phrases to communicate with the locals. Do try the local cuisine, such as arroz con pollo, ropa vieja, and Cuban sandwiches. Do visit Havana's historic district, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Do bring gifts for the locals, such as school supplies or hygiene products, as they are in short supply in Cuba. Do bring a reusable water bottle, as tap water is not safe to drink. Do visit the beaches, such as Varadero and Cayo Coco, which are some of the most beautiful in the Caribbean. Do take a salsa class or attend a live music performance, as music and dance are a big part of Cuban culture. Do respect Cuban customs and traditions, such as dress codes for religious sites. Cuba's don'ts. Don't expect to find Wi-Fi or internet access everywhere, as it is limited in Cuba. Don't bring illegal drugs or engage in any illicit activities, as they are strictly prohibited and carry severe penalties. Don't take pictures of military or government buildings, as it is illegal and could lead to trouble with the authorities. Don't overpack, as you will likely want to bring back some souvenirs and gifts from Cuba. Don't wear flashy jewelry or carry large amounts of cash, as it could make you a target for theft. We love to make these videos with your help. Please click the liked button and subscribe and leave a comment if you have traveled to Cuba. Let us know. Thanks for watching.